I find this pretty interesting. This is Nevada State Capitol. We're at a side entrance here. I got an old building with beautiful landscaping. I just think it's unique. Never seen landscaping this good like this. There's some more of it here. We're approaching the front. Across the street, the Attorney General's office. And this is the state capitol from the front. Beautiful grounds. I haven't seen everybody's grounds, but this has to be, for the ones I've seen, the most impressive. And here they have Centennial Time Capsule, 1864-2014. So it's going to be sealed till Nevada Day, October 31st, 2064. The Nevada State Capitol. We're in this park in Carson City. If anybody knows about the River Walk, the Truckee River goes down the middle of the city. Really beautiful in that. But I haven't been to this part. But this is the one in the end with a big, beautiful park. Peaceful and everything, well maintained. But look what my wife and I ran into. It's for the Paiute and Shoshone of Nevada. Sculptor is Peter Wolf Toth. But this is a gorgeous park. I love how they managed and taken care of all this like this. By the Truckee River. They got it where you could do kayaking and all that stuff down here. This is downtown. We're almost near downtown now. We like to live in that apartment, that condo there. This park has been mostly great the whole time I've seen any of it. That used to be a casino. They turned into condos. They've done a lot of that, and I like how they've done that. And in the distance, that tall building there in the distance is Silver Legacy. That's where we generally stay, is there. There's 3 hotels there. And it's the Caesar's property, Circus El Dorado, Silver Legacy. Fun place to be. I'll vlog that later on. It hasn't changed in the last 20 years since the first time we've been here. But this waterfront, it's miles and miles of walking trail. You can start to behind me and go down where I showed you where the Indian was at. The Native American is at, excuse me. And it's a couple, 3 miles, and it's beautiful. There's lots of people walking it, and it's fun to do. We found a little bit of a mountain we could drive up to. That overlooks the Reno Sparks area. You can overlook the whole valley. A lot of nice neighborhoods up here. I like it up here. Actually, I could live here. I wouldn't have any problem living here. We're in the Silver Legacy. They used to have, always had this here. They used to make it look like a thunder and lightning. And I've been here for 3 or 4 days, and I haven't seen it do it yet. It was kind of fun to have it done. It's like an old mine shaft in Virginia City. It's pretty good. I guess it's reproduction of a stagecoach. But the front here. cool, doesn't it? What I like about it, I'm leaving Silver Legacy and come in and do Circus Circus. All one easy step. We do have a food court, small, with 4 restaurants, which is for the casual dining, you know, to be seated, be waited upon. It's right across from Circus Circus, the actual Midway. Here's what I was talking about earlier. I got the tail end of it. I also have these stars for all the people who appeared here. We got them all over the place, but this one, Cheek and Chop, and they signed their stars also.